Good morning, guys. Welcome to Vlogmas day 14. So I have my Gucci, which I'm gonna load. So let me just see. Okay, I'll need my Kleenex. I'm gonna need my spray water. What else do I have in here? Do I need this? Maybe I'll take this. Those are my glasses. Yeah, I'm not gonna need this. The cleaner. Alright, let's check the pochette métis. By the way, the pochette métis has glazing issues. I already checked. I can literally, you guys, push the glazing with my finger. It's ridiculous. So I will have to definitely take care of this. Maybe after Christmas, I don't know. I'll have to check. So I'm taking my wallet. So I'm gonna still keep it small. This is my keys right here in the clay. Then I'm gonna take, I have some lippies in here. So I'm gonna take my Marc Jacob, the one I really like. And this is the Boy number 54 from Chanel. So I'm gonna take these two. And then, oh, there's some cash in here. I'll take the cash. Let me put it in my wallet. Okay, and then I'm also gonna take this Chanel cosmetic case, and I have my hand cream in here, and I'm not gonna need this. This is for like a little touch-up. And I need my compact, so I'm gonna go grab the compact as well. I'm gonna take the Armani Luminous Silk Compact Foundation. So it will fit right in here. There we go. So I'm gonna close this. Probably put those lippies in here as well. On the Chanel. There we go. Now it's all loaded. It will go inside. This is how it looks like, and my phone right there will go in here, and I'm ready to go. Right, I am on my way to fix my hair. I need to have the roots touch up because I can see some grays poking through. So I need to take care of this, and I'm gonna ask her to maybe cut an inch, just to keep it like, you know, kind of my shoulder kind of length, because I feel like the last time she cut, which was like 2 months ago, I really liked that length, and I feel like my hair is growing like crazy. So I'm gonna ask her to trim it a little bit and touch up the roots. I never do like the full color on my head. It's just the roots I have to touch up every 2 months. I go to her, and every other month, because I really like to touch up every 4 weeks, and every 4 weeks I'll just, every other time I'll do myself. And every 2 months I go to her, so I kind of alternate, and then I have like a little trim or so. I like to have like a long hair for a little while, but recently I have been like more into the shoulder length. So I'm gonna ask her to do that. So that's the first thing that I'm doing today. It's still raining, you guys. It's, I don't know if you can tell, I opened the tap so there's a little bit more light. But it's dark, it's kind of drizzling. It's not like a pouring rain, but it's drizzling. And it's just kind of sad because you know, it's dark in the house, everything. I have to just turn the lights on. It's just not pretty. Most of the afternoon today, so my appointment is at 10 o'clock, which is like in 15 minutes. And that's funny, like I never know how to get there. I keep getting lost. I have my GPS on, but anyway, the rest of the afternoon today, because it's gonna take me about 2 hours for my hair, but in afternoon starting at 1 p.m. I have a couple of students going pretty much door to door, so I'm gonna spend my day teaching. My kids are at the school. They're still at the school until Wednesday, I believe, and then after this I'm playing a Christmas concert with the symphony, which is at 7:30 p.m. So honestly, this might be the shortest vlog because I just, you know, when I teach, and yeah, there's not much I can do. My hair is done. It's pouring rain, you guys, so I had to wear my hood as I was going, but I think it looks pretty good. I'm going to, it's almost noon, I'm going to stop by the Kroger very quickly, grab maybe some fish for dinner, and I have to go teach. I'm gonna do a little touch-up of my forehead because I can see a little hair dye, so I'm just gonna, that's why I brought my compact with me, so I can actually cover this up a little bit before I enter the store. It's absolutely horrible outside. It's cats and dogs, you guys. It's raining like crazy. Not sure if it helped, but maybe. So I got home. I want to show you my hair. So she cut it a little bit of the length, and I asked her to curl as I usually like, and yeah, this is the finished product. So tonight is the concert. I have my hair done, makeup done. I still have to do a little touch-ups in here because you can probably see, so I'll have to cover this up, but that's my new hair. I'm gonna go teach now, and then I have to go ready, get ready for the concert. Hello, Violin. Are you ready to go? I just finished teaching. I have to end the vlog here because I need to go change quickly and run. I want to leave earlier because it's so raining outside. It's just, I'm looking through the window. It's just ridiculous. So anyway, I gotta go. And I'll talk to you tomorrow. Bye!